For my Theme 2 activity, I chose to do the Spread the Word activity. And so for this, I made a children's book. And so it's mostly just kind of a sketchbook that I made. But I imagine that this is something that would be really easy to do in my classroom and that the students can do together with just easy materials we have sitting around. So I'm going to read the book. So it's called Lost My Home, and it's Habitat Loss and Deconstruction in the Orangutan Habitat by Alex Mooney. Hello, my name is Ollie the orangutan. Today I'm going to share some information about where I live and some changes my habitat is going through. I am lucky enough to live in a beautiful and rich ecosystem called the rainforest. This tropical habitat is perfect for me because of the weather, the trees, and all the other organisms. However, something sad is happening in my home. My rainforest is going through habitat loss. Habitat loss is when natural and human-caused activities damage and destroy a habitat. When this happens, species can die. Another reason my habitat is being deconstructed is through forest deconstruction, or deforestation. This is when trees are permanently moved in order to clear the land. Land is cleared for agriculture, grazing, and for fuel. Lastly, my habitat is going through fragmentation. Fragmentation is when my habitat is broken down into smaller pieces. This is to make room for roads, buildings, and agriculture. Habitats are important for the health of our world. There are 3 main ecosystems. The first one is forests. Forests are going through deforestation to make room for urban development. Deforestation causes the planet to become less biodiverse. The grasslands. The grasslands provide us with clean water, food, flood prevention, and promotes the natural production of food and meat. Without grasslands, we would lack carbon sequestration, which is critical for soil health. Lastly, the wetlands. Wetlands act like sponges and prevent flooding. This helps keep river levels normal. Without wetlands, cities might flood when it starts to rain. Sadly, me and my species are endangered. The increasing habitat loss is making it hard for us to find food and shelter. My endangerment is causing biodiversity to decrease in the rainforest, and my ecosystem will soon change after I'm gone. But the good news is, there are ways to help save my home. Habitat loss is being addressed in many different ways. Through donations. Donations are being collected to help build my lost home. Green businesses. Businesses are going green by using natural energy, recycling, cutting down on plastic use, and being less dependent on forest-made items. Laws and regulations. The laws are helping me by creating regulations on rainforest hunting, orangutan capturing, and cutting down my habitat. Also, replanting rainforests. Organizations are working towards replanting parts of the rainforest that have been lost to deforestation, fire, and other disasters. Help me save my home by telling people about the dangers of habitat loss, using items from deforestation, and cutting down the rainforest. You can help me by educating others and making changes in your life to support the rainforest. Here are some vocabulary words that were used in the book. So we have habitat, ecosystem, tropical, rainforest, organisms, fragmentation, shelter, weather, deconstruction, habitat loss, forest deconstruction, grasslands, forests, wetlands. So now I'll show what the book looks like page by page.